Kaiser Permanente, Washington denies accessibility to anyone and everyone who wears corrective eyewear. They promote eye disease. They don't use optometry recommended, optometry approved black high contrast bold type. This is actually reasonable, but it's not bold. All the other words are completely vision harmful. According to their own staff optometrists, this is about prescription information. Look at the type in the bottom here. It's like unbelievable. Why do they show contempt for all their members and for optometry and for ophthalmology and for vision and eye health? Doesn't make any sense at all. This is incredibly awful. And Kaiser Permanente members can file complaints with the Department of Health of the state where one lives in, and the city and county Department of Health, and with the Consumer Affairs Department of the Attorney General of the state one resides in. There's absolutely no excuse for this. It's just outrageous. And again, according to their own optometrists and ophthalmologists, it's vision harmful and vision unhealthy. Optometrists have told me several times in recent years the only vision healthy type for anyone of any age is black, high contrast, and bold type. And the directors don't give a damn, and they don't get it.